Hey everyone, welcome back to How To with Sunny. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install GTA San Andreas on your Windows PC or laptop. First, open any web browser on your computer. Go to Google and search for Rockstar Games Store. Open the official Rockstar Games website. Once the Rockstar Store opens, use the search option and search for GTA San Andreas. On PC, San Andreas is currently available as part of Grand Theft Auto, the Trilogy, and you can also choose Grand Theft Auto, the Trilogy, the Definitive Edition. The Definitive Edition includes updated versions of GTA YI, GTA Vice City, and GTA San Andreas. Choose the version you want to purchase. Click Buy Now. Sign into your Rockstar Games account if you're asked to. If you don't already have an account, create one and then continue. Choose your payment method and complete the purchase. Once the game has been added to your Rockstar account, download and install the Rockstar Games Launcher if you don't already have it. Open the Rockstar Games Launcher and sign into the same account you used to purchase the game. Go to your game library. Find Grand Theft Auto, San Andreas, or the Trilogy edition you purchased. Select it and click Install. Choose where you want to install the game and make sure you have enough available storage space. Then start the download. Once the download and installation are complete, return to your library and click Play. GTA San Andreas should now launch on your computer. And that's how to download and install GTA San Andreas on a Windows PC or laptop using the official Rockstar Games Store. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to How To with Sunny for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.